Have you ever seen your cat doing this? It looks like they're making biscuits, but why do they knead? One reason: kitten instincts. Cats need their mother's belly to get more milk. Even as adults, they keep doing it when they're comfy and happy. Kneading is also a way of marking territory. Cats have scent glands in their paws, so when they knead, they're claiming you, the couch, and pretty much everything is theirs. And if your cat needs you, congratulations! That's pure love. They see you as family, and that's their way of saying, "You're my favorite human." So next time your cat makes biscuits, just enjoy the free massage. Who knew being a cat's favorite meant getting kneaded like dough?